What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing Loaded Rico from Brawl Stars. And we're going to get started at the top center of our page with a circle for the eye. So in the middle, draw a circle coming down towards the bottom, round this out, and then go back up towards the top. Now we're going to trace this circle along the inside. Starting back at the top, we want to leave an even space gap all the way around towards the bottom, back up. Let's add in the pupil. Along the top we'll step down, draw a short line from left to right. We're going to come down the sides of the straight line, leaving a gap along the bottom. And along the bottom we're just going to close this off with a straight line. We'll fill that pupil in black. I also want to add two straight angled lines along the side. So we'll start with one along the top, step down, and draw the second one. From the outside curve of the eye, we're going to step out and draw two straight lines coming down towards the base of the head. So let's start on the left. We're going to step out, draw a straight line coming down to right about there. We're going to line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now let's connect the bottom with the curve. Starting on the left, we'll come down and bend that up. Now the crown sits on the top left side of the head in an angle. So we'll start on the left side. We're going to curve up, over the eye, and towards the right side. Then from here I just want to curve out and then down towards the right side of the head. Let's add a thick trim along the base of the crown. On the left side we're going to step down, curve out, and then in. And we'll follow that same curve going all the way up towards the right side. And then we'll round out the top, going around and then in toward the side of the head. Now we're going to draw in the crown. Starting from the top, we'll start with a straight line going up. We'll come down towards the left side. We're going to angle up and out with that same length line. Now I'm going to add a small circle to the end of the line. Let's start on the left side, going all the way around, back in. Do the same thing along the top. Now from the top of this line, we're going to step in, draw an angle line coming down and in. Go to the top, we're going to step in, angle down, and then out. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to start with a straight line going up towards the top. Now we're going to add a circle, going all the way around and back in. And we're going to step over and draw a straight angle line coming down towards the bottom of the line on the right. Let's add two circles along the bottom corners of the head. We'll start on the left side. We're just going to circle around towards the bottom and then back up. Do the same thing on the right side. We're also going to draw a smaller circle along the inside. Let's go to the top left side of the circle, curve out and up, line this up on the right, do the same thing. Now from here we're going to curve up and in behind the head on both sides. Now we're going to add a thick trim around the edge of the cape. Starting on the left side, we're going to start by curving up, around, and then pull that in towards the bottom side of that circle. Do the same thing on the right. We'll move to the inside of the circle and curve down and then up on the right. We're just going to follow that same curve of the base of the head. Let's move down and draw the side of the body. On the left side, curve out and then down. And do the same thing on the right side, curving out and down toward the same height. Then from here we're going to curve down and in toward the inside of the vest. From the inside, we're going to draw a straight line going up towards the base of the head. Now I want to duplicate this curve just up above. Starting on the left side, curve down and in, line this up on the right, and draw that same curve going out. Let's connect the inside corners of the vest with a curve, going down and then up. Let's fill the inside of the body with overlapping circles. So we start on the left side, underneath the vest, we'll curve down, round out the circle, and then go back out. We'll draw one in behind. Stepping over, draw another circle, going all the way around, and then out. We'll add one more on the side going in behind the vest. So we'll start with the top, curving out, come down, curve down, and then out. We'll draw a half circle along the top, going up, and then down. We'll add two more on the side. On the left, curve up and out, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's draw in the lower torso, halfway along the bottom edge of the vest, and draw a half circle, curving down, and we'll pull that up on the right side. Let's leave a gap in the center, go over towards the left side, draw a short curve, coming down and out, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now we draw a straight line going across towards the outside of the leg. And then from here we're going to round out the hip, curving out, and then pulling that in. Let's go back to the inside. I'm going to curve out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go to the outside and draw that same curve, going down toward that same height. Now we're going to draw the edge of the boot going over the bottom of the leg. So we're going to step out, draw a straight line going across on both sides. Let's go to the inside and draw a straight line coming down toward the bottom of the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, I'm going to curve down and then up towards the toe. Do the same thing on the right side. Now from the toe, we're going to curve the top of the foot going up, and we're just going to pull that down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top of the boot and draw a straight line coming down on top of the foot. From the top corner of the boot, we're going to step in, draw another straight line coming down. Now we'll move in again, draw another line. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we're also going to add two small circles on the inside of the ankle. One on the left, and we'll line this up on the right side. Let's add two horizontal lines going along the inside of the boot. And do the same thing on the right. We're also going to add some lines across the leg. One going across the top, and then the bottom. And we'll line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start with the sleeve of the vest first. So from the top, we're going to step out, curve down, and then in towards that line. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's draw the arm on the left holding the gun. So we're going to start from the top of the sleeve, curve down, and then back up towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb. Start by curving in, going out. Now we want to round out the thumb, and then come back in. Let's add three fingers along the top. Starting from the top of the thumb, we're going to add an oval. Going around to the top, down, and then in. We'll add two more along the side. Stepping down, curving up, down. We're just going to tuck that in. We'll add one more along the bottom. Let's draw on the top of the gun. From the top of the thumb, we draw a straight angle line going up and out, just up above the finger. We're going to flatten off the top. Now we're going to come back down with that same angle line towards the back, and we'll round out the back. Coming around, and then tuck that in behind the thumb. Now we draw the handle in behind the thumb and finger. So start down here, and down with an angle, and then we'll go up in behind the finger. Let's move back up and finish off the gun. From the top corners, we're going to step up, draw another straight line going across, flatten off the ends, and then again we'll connect the tops with a straight line. And then from the outside, we're going to step in and draw two straight angled lines along the inside. Now from this top corner, I'm going to step down, curve around, almost like a half circle, going around. Now I'll follow that same angle line coming towards the back, And we'll pull this down and in toward the top of the gun, step up, and draw that same line twice. We're also going to add some small overlapping circles along the inside. Let's start at the bottom, curving around, and in. Let's tuck a few in behind. Going up and around, on the inside. Add a half circle on the top. We'll add one more, going up and then down. From the bottom finger, we're going to curve the palm going in towards the wrist. So we start by curving down, around the handle, and up towards the wrist. Let's draw on the bottom of the arm. From the bottom of the palm, curve down, and pull that up underneath the sleeve of the vest. Now we're going to take this curve, step down, and duplicate that for the inside of the cuff. And we'll add some curves along the arm. Starting at the top of the elbow, curve in, and then out. In between, curve down, and then out. And then along the top, we'll just pull this in behind the sleeve. Now the arm on the right is just going to be hanging down along the side. So from the bottom of the sleeve, we'll step up, curve out, and down towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle, curving in and then out. At the end of the thumb, we'll add a bracket. Let's go to the bottom of the thumb. We'll draw the first finger, curving down and then up around the bracket. Step down, curve across, and then up the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to curve around, and I'm just going to pull this in towards the inside of the wrist. Now I want to move up to the top of the sleeve and curve out the side of the arm. We'll go out, round out the arm, and then pull that down on the top of the hand. Let's add that cuff. I want to take this curve, step up, and draw that twice. I'm going to add some stripes across the arm. Step up, draw a curve going up and out, step up, and draw that 2 more times. Now we want to draw the back of the cape going in behind the arms. So on the left side, curve out and down in behind the arm, continue along the bottom, coming out and down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving out and down. We'll continue underneath the hand, down towards the same height. And we'll connect the bottoms of the cape with a curve. Coming down and in, behind the leg, in between, and then up on the right side. Let's add a thick trim around the outside of the cape. Starting underneath the arm, we follow that same curve. Coming out and then down. Curve down and in behind the foot. Go in between and over towards the right. I'm just going to pull this up and in behind the hand. And that's pretty much it. There's Loaded Rico from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.